Elaine Thompson, Iraq, nominated for 2021 World Athlete of the Year Award. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 007 TV, Celebrity to the Scoop. Just and hope that you're doing fine, keeping safe and in good health. So coming up on the scoop for today, Jamaican sprint star Elaine Thompson Iraq has been nominated for the 2021 World Athlete Female Athlete of the Year. And I can tell you that Jamaicans right now, they are feeling very proud based on this milestone accomplishment from this female track star. Throughout the entire Tokyo Olympics, Elaine Thompson Iraq made Jamaica very proud, and she actually raised the flag of Jamaica in Tokyo on so many different occasions. And I can tell you that is just a wonderful feeling to have watched those tremendous race by this sprint star, and she dominated that event right throughout the entire Olympics. And I can tell you, she is one to be reckoned with, and she made the country very proud with her talent and her skill in dominating most of the main events at this competition. So the sprint star copped gold medal in the 100, 200 and 4x100 at the Tokyo 2020 Olympics Games, and was on Friday named among 10 nominees selected for the International Panel of Athlete Experts. So according to the World Athletics governing body, the nominations reflect the remarkable range of exceptional performances that the sport has witnessed this year at the Tokyo 2020 Olympics Games, one-day meeting circuit and other events worldwide. Beside her achievement at the Tokyo Olympics, Thompson Herah, age 29, is also the second fastest woman of all time. She clocked 10.54 seconds in the women's 100 meter at the Prefontaine Classic in Eugene, Oregon, inching closer to American Florence Griffith Joyner's world record of 10.49 seconds set in 1988. The voting process for the award was opened this week ahead of the World Athletics Award, which is set for 2021 in December of this year. Commenting on the World Athletics president, Sebastian Coe said that he recognized that athletes in some parts of the world face greater challenges than others in accessing international competition this year, which implicated the nomination process. However, we saw some impressive breakthrough at the Tokyo 2020 Olympic Games, and we look forward for those athletes having more opportunities to shine next year with the 5 World Athletics serial event and a full schedule of one-day meets on the calendar. So that's really good news coming outside of this, that a Jamaican has actually made it as a nominee for the World Athletics Champion Female for the year 2021. And who made it is our very own Elaine Thompson Iraq, who made her country very proud at the Tokyo 2020 Olympics Games. And I can tell you that the fans right across the world right now, they are very elated based on this milestone accomplishment, and the fact that this female is so very young and she's dominating the sport to her best of her abilities. And I can tell you, it's a good look for Jamaica, and it's a good look for the world, because Jamaican athletes always try to do their very best in order to make their country very proud. And she is thus another in a series of athletes to have dominated the world stage in such a fashion. So voting for the competition closes at midnight on November 6th. After the voting process, the World Athletics governing body will announce the 5 finalists. So that is what is up in this celebrity scoop for today. And I can tell you that we just want to wish Jamaican sprint star Elaine Thompson Iraq all the best, and hopeful she will be victorious in this. And I can tell you that she has done very well for her country, and she will continue to make her country very proud as she waved the flag of Jamaica very high for the world to see. This is where I'm going to leave this one there for now, though. Thanks for watching. This has been Link 007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. Peace out and bless. And we'll just leave you with a little life story about the life of Elaine Iraq and where she's coming from to where she's at. Peace out and bless. So who really is this top Jamaican track star? Let's discuss that now, right now on the program. So she was born in Manchester, Jamaica on June 28, 1992. Her events that she participated in is a woman 100 meter, 200 meter, 4x100 meter relay, and the 4x200 meter relay. Her major accomplishment is that she is the 3-time Olympic gold medalist and current Olympic world record in the 100 meter. She has an estimated net worth of $4 million US. So Elaine Thompson Iraq is a Jamaican track and field athlete who competes in the 100, 200, and 4x100 meter relay and 4x200 meter relay race event across some of the top tournaments in the world. She has won several accolades for her country in the recent past. The Olympics record holder is one of the fastest human on the planet, with her respective timings of 7.02 seconds in the 60 meter, 10.61 seconds in the 100 meter, and 21.06 seconds in the 200 meter. Let's know some more about this Jamaican track star, Elaine Thompson Iraq. Born on June 28, 1992 in Manchester, Jamaica, Elaine Thompson Herah commenced her athletics career at a very young age. Soon after high school, she was recruited to the University of Technology, Jamaica. Her improvement steadily began under Francis, where she clocked a seasonal best of 11.41 seconds at the Gibson Relay. Since then, Thompson never looked back and has made her country proud on many occasions. As for the latest information shared by Celebrity Net Worth, Elaine Thompson Iraq has an estimated net worth of $4 million US against her name. The 4-time Olympic medalist, including recent historic gold medal in the 100 meter event at the Tokyo 2020 Olympics, Thompson Iraq is one of the most celebrated athletes from Jamaica. Apart from a bunch of athletic medals, the 29-year-old has branched many other milestones that include World Championship, Diamond League, and Commonwealth Games, just to name a few. Here is a list of all the accomplished medals clinched by the Jamaican track star Elaine Thompson Iraq. Looking on the side of Elaine Thompson's personal life, she got married to a former athlete and coach, Herah. The duo tied the knot on November 2nd, 2019. However, they kept their relationship private before announcing their wedding in a grand style. The couple is regularly seen posting pictures and videos on their social media accounts. The Jamaican sprinter currently trains under the eyes of Stephen Francis, who was also the former coach of a legendary athlete and the compatriot of Elaine Thompson, Shelly Fraser Price. This stops the list of things that you need to know about Elaine Thompson Iraq. Hope that you enjoyed watching as we enjoy broadcasting this to you. This has been Link 007 TV, and thanks for watching as always, and please remember to subscribe to the channel for the latest to come.